Are you using hotspot from one iPhone to another one and it is disconnected all the time you go there, and if you lock the phone like this, then it is disconnected again? So there are always connectivity issues on these iOS devices, then you gotta fix. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix it permanently so that you lock this phone or do whatever, this will not disconnect. You need to do some settings on your host phone first. I'm providing internet to this mobile phone using this SIM card. So what I need to do, just go to setting on your host phone, go to personal hotspot, and make sure first of all you select maximum compatibility. If you turn it off, it will disconnect automatically here. After that, on your host phone, go to battery, scroll down and go to power mode. Make sure you do not turn on any low power mode here, because once you turn on low power mode, it will automatically disconnect again. Alternatively, on your host phone, you can do one more thing, but that is not recommended because your light will not turn off and your phone will not be locked. But if you want, you can go to display and brightness. Instead of 30 seconds, you can choose never. This phone will never go to sleep and it will always stay connected on your other phone. There is one important thing, make sure that you are not connected to any VPN, because VPN is causing the problem. It will disconnect all your hotspot to other phone. Now let's come to the ultimate solution that I found recently, because my phone was disconnecting every 5 minutes or every 2 minutes or even 1 minute 10 times. I need to connect this phone. Open setting on your host phone and on other phone as well. Go to Bluetooth, turn it on. Go to Bluetooth here, turn it on. And now you need to pair these two devices. Here is iPhone 15 Pro Max. I can connect it here. And this is Black 11. Now it says iPhone 15 Pro Max is connected, and here it says Black 11. This is Black 11. So this one is connected. Now it will not disconnect no matter you turn off or do whatever you want to do. It will always stay connected. So try this method and it will always stay connected there. Thanks me later and bye.